Well, I'm continuing to rip out some walls and tiles and in my master bath. I'll give you a little rundown of what things look like so you have a better understanding. This is what I got. Window goes out. This is the old tub that's coming out. This is where the sink was. This is where the toilet was. And this is where I'm going to get rid of this wall. I'm going to open it all up because I do have this little hallway in here. I'm going to get rid of that closet. And I'm going to open it all up because I'm putting a shower, standalone shower, and a dipping tub in here, in this area. And then when we turn around here to this side, in here, I've got, I don't know, almost 6 feet. I'm going to put a 2-sink vanity there. So I just want to show you, here I am, up in here as I'm opening things up. See the newspaper? Old newspaper, stuffed in holes. I guess to seal out, I don't know, air, or maybe they use that and they spackle over it. Talk about an Earl Stripe job. Anyway, here's the newspaper. Let me show you. It says Long Island Press, March 31st, 1965. So that gives you an idea of when this bathroom was changed. Quite a few years ago, folks. Well, I'm going to continue to rip stuff out and get to my next thing. And I'm throwing stuff out. I just want you guys to know. Take a look out here. I got my dumpster out there. I'm chucking everything out there. And that's where I'm at. And let me show you this other closet here. This closet. Sure, I threw the toilet in here, but it's just dry right now. It's just out of the way. These are all for clothes and everything, but what I'm going to do here, from this pole inward to the stairs, I'm going to save that space from the wall over, and I'm thinking about putting a washer and dryer here instead of going into the basement. So that's where I'm at. Okay. Got tiles off and a lot of the damaged drywall behind it. It wasn't the right kind of drywall that was put on there. And the thing is, it was all 3/8 of an inch thick. And as you can see here, I opened it up into the closet. And that closet area, plus I'm going to come out a little bit more over here, will be my shower. And then this area here will have the dipping tub. So I got more than enough room to do both. Okay, now this wall is coming down up to about here where the opening is. This part of the wall is going to stay, and that's where the vanity is going to be. Okay, and that's where I'm at. So the wall's coming down. Here we go. All right, so I just finished cleaning up, vacuumed everything up. Not that great, but got rid of a lot of the dust. Let me show you how much I dumped out so far. That's what we got. And I'm going to show you what I finished, because I started ripping everything out over here, the ceiling. And let me show you, this is the closet. This was the closet. And as you can see, I will be picking up maybe 30 inches here. So my shower would go in this corner somewhere. And then in this corner would go a dipping tub, a smaller tub, nothing like this green monster here. So that's it. I'm done for the day. Very tired. And that's it. It's coming along. Like anything else, it takes time to get to where you gotta go. Gotta start and get things going in the right direction. Okay. So I'm getting down to it. And this tile is really in. Very difficult to come up. I was chipping away at it here. It's incredible. It was put down the right way. Some areas are loose, and where you see it black there was a little leak from this guy. I didn't tighten it enough overnight, but that's no big deal. But take a look. I'm really stripping it down to the walls. And on the other side of this wall is outside. The only thing is this one here, this guy, all the way up. Yeah, I'm going to have to take him out of there because it's like a wafer board. And I'm not sure if that's what it's made out of, but I will be wearing masks. So I'm going to take a break now. It's lunchtime.